Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by choosing dried or canned chickpeas. If using dried, soak 8-12 hours, then boil until very tender. This softens skins and improves texture. If using canned, rinse well to remove excess sodium and canned flavor. Reserve about 1/4 cup of the cooking liquid or aquafaba. This controls hummus consistency without adding oil right away. Once done, cool slightly. You want warm chickpeas for better blending, so they emulsify with tahini and oil more smooth. Place chickpeas, 3 tablespoons tahini, and 2 to 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice into the food processor. Add 1 to 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and a pinch of cumin if you like. Start processing and drizzle in the reserved 1/4 cup liquid slowly. This is crucial. Adding liquid in stages lets you reach a silky texture without overworking the tahini. Stop to scrape down the bowl, then continue processing. Make sure the mixture becomes smooth and cohesive. Before moving to finals, you finish by drizzling about 3 tablespoons olive oil into the blender while it runs, which creates a glossy, creamy emulsion. Taste and adjust. Add more lemon for brightness or salt to lift flavors. Add a tablespoon or 2 of water if it's too thick. If the hummus is grainy, blend longer and warm slightly. If too thin, add a bit more tahini or drained chickpeas. Serve with a drizzle of oil and paprika. Keep this troubleshooting tip in mind to fix common texture issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.